Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to see the headlines. And based on what the attorney them say, and the acknowledgement of that fact by the judge, saying that based on Vybz Kartel's health issues, they will be giving the verdict in a very timely manner. And even by the prosecution, saying that they believe that Vybz Kartel and other co-accused should be granted bail if a retrial is granted. They are all acknowledging the fact that Vybz Kartel being behind the bars is a risk to his health. Now, before we get into the reasoning, drop a like on the video. Drop a comment in the comment section, and remember to share the video. Now, if this is being exposed that healthcare facilities that are open to the public are sometimes understaffed and not equipped to deal with the issues of the people, imagine the healthcare being provided behind the bars. Now, before we continue the reasoning, I'm going to say and hear from concerned Jamaicans about how the system are run, whether that be judicial, security forces, or whatever, and also the reaction of the people to Prime Minister Andrew Holness when he just visited a public market. There was definitely mixed support. I'm going to say what I go on and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Andrew in our hometown. Hello, I'm going to tell you make Andrew go up on the body road. They run him like a dog. He couldn't have an alien part to a while ago. He have to turn back. Power up in your song. As they see Andrew they change. Power by yourself. Power to the world. Power. Watch Andrew up in our hometown. Alright, Andrew. They touch after me. Oh, God. Hello, I'm going to tell you make Andrew go up on the body road. He run him like a dog. He couldn't have an alien part to a while ago. He have to turn back. Power up in your song. Turn around here. Power to the world. You are right. Power to the world. Turn him back. Tell him to come right as where you there. There's about 2 combustion seal parts. Give me that, get ready. Let me shot there. I'm dropping on my hometown. Let me shot there. Power. The man dead, such him. 1 power up in yourself. Brownstone market of the orange, not green. All of the vegetables, them green. Power to the world.
You get me, I say? You abuse the system. So long, your police if you say, yo, yeah, interior of your clothes, you're going to get right. The judge and the jury going to get the girl right. You're going to give you right over the girl. And I say, blood clot, go. The situation will kill a whole heap of innocent people. Can I tell you, a whole heap of execution style I soon carry out. What come out of it? I'll pan camera I'm watching a kill, man. What come out of it? Yo, I tell you, man. You see you, if a girl know how to deal with you, the girl will set you up a way. Either you lose your 2 foot them, or you drive off of one cliff, go break your blood clot neck. The girl will fuck you. The girl will fuck you real good, police girl. And me they send out this for the media. I care fucking zero. On the top grown abuse people.
Now, the people them fed up with what go on in the state. Them fed up with how Jamaica itself are run. People as the Vybz Kartel's case also a showcase all our wrong with the judicial system. And this not have nothing to do with if you believe Vybz Kartel is innocent or if you believe him guilty. Most people, as I said, the way the case has been looked at, and when the whole thing is presented, not only to the appeal court, but even to the public, as the public has recently been made aware that you have cases that have been sent for retrial where years now, and all know those cases haven't been scheduled. Them get to have an understanding of the backlog and the scope of work being done by those who work within the judicial system and the workload that is actually on the judicial system. Now, some people also believe that Vybz Kartel's health issues are one of the major reasons why there will not be a retrial and Vybz Kartel will be released. If it's one of the reasons why the case itself is being looked at and an answer will be brought to Vybz Kartel and other co-accused based on that reason, then that might be reason enough. Even prosecution, I say, knowing that the appellant's rights are going to be breached with a retrial, and the facts they may know when the retrial will start, they must say bail, and their view, or in their view, would be a remedy for the situation of waiting so long for a trial where you don't know when to start. Now, of course, the judge didn't agree. The judge said breaching rights are breaching rights. And if a retrial itself is a breach of their rights, then how can there be a retrial? And the fact say, they must say, the only way to get a close date would be for both the prosecution and the court to come to some agreement that this Vybz Kartel's case would be prioritized. Now the defense asked, with so much other murder cases before the court, what makes this case so special? And I think the prosecution have an answer. More than the fact that they want to prosecute the case. Which is not enough. Because in a court of law, you have to have enough evidence to prosecute. When you hear the prosecution say, yo, them now can prosecute a case, simply because they don't have the evidence. If they have the evidence to do that, they will do it. They must say in this scenario though, they don't have enough evidence. Because even if they must say, without the phone evidence, the other circumstantial evidence would have been enough. During the initial trial, it sounded like they would have enough circumstantial evidence. But now that the 20 odd used on the trial and the mongrel have some of that left back, that means they don't have enough. Or they don't have the amount that they would have in the trial. And if what was had in the trial was the sufficient amount, no, they don't have the sufficient amount. Simply put, the prosecution is willing to prosecute, but they don't have enough evidence to do so. Now, because it is their job to prosecute, that's why them did make them presentation. While preparing for this case, it is public knowledge, so them also work on numerous other cases. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, just pass through. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. And also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reason via the comment section. Now a quick recap. Just by being behind the bars with Vybz Kartel's health issues, the defense is pointing out that within itself is putting Vybz Kartel's life in danger. And some people believe this is a clear reason why there can be no retrial. And the fact that the judge is acknowledging Vybz Kartel's health issues is, some people say, a clear proof. So even the judge agrees with where the defense has said. Vybz Kartel definitely has a health concern. And with what going on in the health system of Jamaica, people say healthcare providers, healthcare facilities are understaffed and sometimes under-equipped. So imagine what take place with people who are inmates behind the bars. Defense also point out that at the moment, while Vybz Kartel's life is at risk while being behind the bars, he's behind the bars without a conviction. People also say, yo, that not look good upon the judicial system neither. Talk to me in the comment section though. Tell me what you think. As I said, and tell the reason again My sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper. And for to do. And for to stay tuned. Don't forget to like and share the video. Tell a friend, Check out this video. Drop a comment in the comment section. Remember to subscribe.